ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯂꯣꯏ꯫ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯂꯤꯍꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯤꯟꯍꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯠ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁꯠꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯜ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯁꯁꯇꯦꯅꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁꯠ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ 2025ꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜꯄꯥꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯦꯀꯥꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯐꯥꯔꯝ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯏꯪ 2002ꯗ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯂꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯚꯦꯂ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯚꯦꯂ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ 34ꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯂꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ 22ꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫
Like in Manipur, we are growing mostly as a one crop because of irrigation, unavailability of irrigation facility. Now that's where the expertise of the technical team is required. Where can we do something with our treatment of the soil that we really grow many more product, multi-cropping? Can we really start? Because that's what I mean. It will really create lots of employment among the youth, and it has potential. I mean, if you put agriculture, horticulture, and this veterinary, fishery, poultry all put together, it really has potential to create lots of jobs and lots of income for the farmers. So I urge upon all of you, my department including, that let's and the farmers together, let's put in our mind and heart together that we really improve the income of the farmers and their livelihood.